Okay, welcome to my channel. So last time ang pinag-aralan natin is addition of integers. So this time subtraction of integers. But before that, bigyan natin ng credit yung original na may-ari ng slides na kuha ko lang din sa internet para na rin magamit natin at makatulong dun sa mga batang nais matuto o nahihirapan sa integers. Okay, so review muna tayo. So, quick review of adding of integers. Addition rule number 1, if the signs are the same, add as you normally do, then keep the same sign. So, example, positive 5 plus positive 8 is equal to positive 13. And then, negative 8 plus negative 17. So, since both negative, so add the number 8 plus 17 is 25. Then copy the common sign. So negative plus negative is equal to negative 25. If the signs are different, pretend the signs are not there. Subtract the smaller from the larger one, and then keep the sign of the number with the greatest absolute value. So for example, positive 19 plus negative 11. So unlike sign, subtract the number 19 minus 11 is 8. And then, kopyahin lang natin yung sign ni 19. So magiging positive 8. And then positive 24 plus negative 86. So different signs, subtract. 86 minus 24 is negative 62. So 3 steps to subtract integers. Keep the first number. Subtraction sign to addition. Write down the opposite of the second number. Then add the way you normally do. Okay, so example, negative 9 minus 14 or negative 9 minus positive 14. So keep the first number, negative 9. Change the subtraction to addition. And then opposite of positive 14 is negative 14. So since parehas ng negative yung ating given, negative 9 plus negative 14, gagamitin natin yung addition rules for integers. So addition rules with like sign, just add the number, then copy the common sign. So 9 plus 14, 23, then copy the common sign which is negative, so negative 23. Okay, sige, practice. Paki-pause nyo muna, and then pagkatapos yung sagutan, tsaka nyo i-play. Pag hindi nyo pa rin na perfect, rewind nyo lang, panoorin nyo uli, and then practice hanggang makuha nyo na lahat ng tamang sagot. Okay? So, good luck. Okay, so checkan na natin. So, negative 7 minus 15 is equal to negative 22. So, paano nakuha yung negative 22? So, negative 7 minus negative 7 minus positive 15. So, keep yung negative 7. Then, subtraction, gagawin nating addition. And then, positive 15, gagawin nating negative 15. So, negative 7 plus negative 15 is negative 22. Okay, for number 2, 23 minus 98. So, keep ulit natin yung 23. Then, subtraction, gawin natin ulit na addition. and then positive 98 magiging negative 98. 23 plus negative 98, so different sign, subtract natin. 98 minus 23 is 75, and then copy the sign of the number with greater absolute value, so negative 75. Okay, next, negative 48 minus negative 13. So, negative 48, so magiging plus positive 13, so magiging negative 35. Next, 5 minus negative 6, magiging positive 11. And then for our last number, 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.